In this correlational SPSS assignment, I have two variables that are on a scaling metric. I have age, and I also have time in seconds. And then I have another variable that is place, first place, second place, or third place in a race. To run a correlation, analyze, correlate, bivariate. Then I can click over the variables I want to correlate. I can do two of them, or I could add all of them over here. I'm going to go under Options and request Means and Standard Deviations. If I'm interested in correlating interval or scale data, I'll just leave it as this. But since I have an ordinal measure in here, I'm also going to want to get a Spearman. Then you click OK. Here we have our means and our standard deviations for our three variables. And then if we have interval or scale data, we can use that first box, the Pearson correlation. So my age and my time are on that scale to use Pearson. So my R value is this first one, this Pearson. Within this, there's a matrix and the ones are on the diagonal. And then the top right triangle area is the same as the bottom left triangle area. So we can ignore most of this and just focus on this top right piece. I'm going to look at the correlation between age and time, and the R value is 0.618. The P value is 0.057, so close but not statistically significant. To look at my place variable, I want to scroll down to look at the Spearman. Here it's reported as a row rather than an R, and I can go over to my age and my place. Here we notice it is statistically significant. The row value is 0.869 and the P value is 0.001. I can also look at the correlation between time in seconds and place, and again that is statistically significant with my row being 0.95 and my P value equal to 0.001.